Waflong ni tinggal sa. Ya, tu biasa. You sure? Saya tu, ini biasa.
Check from here.
Kau serang apa?
Come here now.
Kau serang selai barang.
Help.
Wash your hands up. Wash your hands. Om Shannu Devi. Sip the water in your right palm. Amrita Pidhanam Swaha. Sip again. Keshavaya Swaha. Sip again. Madhavaya Swaha. Wash hand. Hasta Bhakshalam Sri Vishnu. Wash your hand. Shanura Vishtavan. Sip the water right palm. Amrita Pidhanam Swaha. Sip the water again. Keshavaya. Sip again. Madhavaya Swaha. Wash hand. Hasta Bhakshalam. Ring finger right hand. Om Kushistdevu. Left hand feet open. Kushmare Janadhanam Kushpengi. Right hand finger. Kushistdevu. Kushmare Janadhanam. Om Kanda Chandanam Gandhayam. Saumanoharam Vilepanam Chandanam. Pratigrihitam Gandhadyam Saumanoharam. Om Kanda Chandanam Gandhadyam Saumanoharam. Vilepanam Chandanam. This hand. Pratigrihitam Gandhadyam. Flowers with a black tail. Shift the chair back to the Holding your hand open. No. Vrindavan Lal ki jai. Let's first stand just before we get into it. As you ask the Lord is knowing on Muni Road and your coming stand to peace to give. And to allow this soul to begin the journey to hereafter. Om Mahapadukra Padukra Sarvovastanga Tudiva Yaswar Pundarikashana Satendara Suti Murtam Karoti Vashayam Kangulam Devirum Yakripatavaham Bande Paramanandam Madhavam Vasudeva Sudam Devam Kansakanvaramardhanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadguru Anahino Dhanadeva Shankachakradharadhara Akshara Pundarikasha Pritamoshta Prabhu Bhava Pritamoshta Prabhu Bhava Pritamoshta Prabhu Bhava Ram Nam Satyati Sukati After that you put some more. Raj Miri Singh Bhuraki Shiv Shankar ke pyari Gaura Parvati Raj Sindhuraki Shiv Shankar ke pyari Gaura Parvati Hari Hari Pavan Bastani Vari Tu hi re Mahastati Main tu kiari ho Main tu kiari Sharan Tihari Tu hi Palanhari Gaura Parvati Rakalajani Bhuraki. Left hand. Sprinkle water 5 times. Right hand. Om Anahino Dhanadeva Shankachakradharadhara Akshare Pundarikasha Pritamoshta Prabhu Bhava Pritamoshta Prabhu Bhava Amattu Brokasya अमुख्य प्रेतस्य इति श्री प्रेतनाम द्वैति श्री अमुख्य प्रेतस्य मुख्य प्रेतस्य नारायणं केशवाय यां नमो नमः। Offer to sleep on you. Shivanatakaranaswami Jabapranatansinikhare Govindanamayekaravya Jabapranatansinikhare Shivanatakaranaswami Shri Ganga Bhikataho Yamuna Kipurtidaho Shri Ganga Bhikataho Yamuna Kipurtidaho Yaha Par Samadhi Khare Koi Roga Na Sakare Yamuna Tukarna Swami Jabapranatan se nikhale buhan Yupuna tukarnas Jabapranatan se nikhale Shri Ganga Bhikataho Yamuna Kipurtidaho Ya apar samadhi khare Koi roga na sakare Braja Ituna Tukarna Swami. Om Chandaram Uparvishtatam Right, sure. Put the essence, right, sure. Om Shri Arihatikapurtasya Mukhyapetasya Iti Shri Narayanam Ishvaraye Namo Namah Shri Siddhyapritam Uparvishtatam Shri Narayanam Ishvaraye Namo Namah Shri Vishnupate Namah Shri Arihatikapurtasya Amukya Pretasya Sindhya Pretam Uparvishtatam Shri Vishnu Patim Namaha Om Vanaspati Bhutu Aishu Gandhamidam Shri Narayanam Keshwaya Namo Namaha Shri Narayana Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namah Narayana Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namah. The malas, the blessing of the malas are represented this morning. The relationship you have once shared have now come to an end. Nothing will come back together. Offer the malas nicely. Om Adhikadi Sudam Uparvishtatam Shri Narayanam Keshwaya Yam Namo Namah Shri Adhikadi Purnam Shri Kasturi Jivatam Lalakapare Bhakshashtrikav Subham Nasage Varamautikam Karkare Bhimushtrikam Karam Sehi. All those who like to offer flowers and malas, now is the time. After the body has been prepared, nothing else will be offered. So all those who want to offer flowers and malas, please come. Mati mamata kitni pyari, kitna pyar bhagati hai, kitna pyar bhagati hai. Mati mamata kitni pyari, kitna pyar jagati hai, kitna
जगाती है, कितना प्यार जगाती है। तो काली महाकाली दुर्गा तुझे पार भवानी माँ, तू पुराण का शारद शारदा तुझे होगी मानी माँ, तू पार्वत को बोलने पर जीवन गीत सुनाती है, कितना प्यार जगाती है। माटी ममता कितनी प्यारी, कितना प्यार जगाती है, कितना प्यार जगाती है। माटी ममता
कितनी प्यारी, कितना प्यार जगाती है,
कितना प्यार जगाती है। आएगी अकेला जाएगी अकेला, 2 दिन की जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का गेला, 2 दिन का गेला। आएगी अकेला जाएगी अकेला, 2 दिन की जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का गेला, 2 दिन का गेला। जिन्हें के लिए चुने महल सजाए, मकरत की आज शादी सभी भी पराए। कितना काहे तू सजेला, 2 दिन की जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का गेला, 2 दिन का गेला। आएगी अकेला तो जाएगी अकेला, 2 दिन की जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का गेला, 2 दिन का गेला। काहे तो आया जग में क्या तुझको कहना, नीचे कर्म कर ले दुनिया से डरना। आप ये कर ले तुझको चाहे दुख देना, 2 दिन की जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का गेला, 2 दिन का गेला। At this point, after the we are not going to do this, so only on this note. At this point, the children are not here. The balance of the parents come continue to them. At this point in time.
Kim, this is from Kumanstan. Come. She don't want to come. 85 children.
The parents children who is not here, we will be running up the balance for them at this point. Come this way. Nemo Srikankaram Kasturi Yulakan Lalakapate Masunamo Mujiho Kahani Musumi Raja Jaho Masunamo Mujiho Kahani Musumi Raja Jaho Nahurani हमारी तुम्हारी कृपा हो, जो सभी के घर की जगह हो। चंद जिसमें करी हो डरा की बात, जिसमें न हो आसरा की। पूर्ण परिवार जहाँ आसमानी माँ सुनाओ मुझे वो कहानी, जिसमें आसान हो जाहरानी। वो हमारी तुम्हारी कृपा हो, जो सभी के घर की जगह हो। वो हमारी please stand for the final arti. Those who can stand, please remain seated. Come across altar, come this way. You wave the amplified fans walking around the coffin.
Yeah.
Touch on the shoulder, walking around 5 times.
Jai Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Dukiyo ko dukha duro Jai 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 Krishna Hare Jai Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Dukiyo ko dukha duro Jai 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 Krishna Hare जब चारों तरफ अंधियारा हो आशा का दूर किनारा हो जब चारों तरफ अंधियारा हो आशा का दूर किनारा हो फिर कोई रखे वरहारा हो तब तो ही मेरा पार हो जय 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 कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे श्री कृष्ण हरे दुखियों को दुख दूर करे जय 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 कृष्ण हरे तो चाहे तो सब कुछ करे इसको भी अमृत कर दे पूर्ण कर दे सबकी आशा पूर्ण कर दे सबकी आशा जो भी तेरा ध्यान करे फिर जो भी तेरा ध्यान करे जय 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 कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे श्री कृष्ण हरे दुखियों को दुख दूर करे जय 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 कृष्ण हरे राम नाम सत्य दोनों आरती करकर यं वायु महंगो तत्भुवो प्रणादाय भूतयं यं वायु विद्याधिकाय यस्व सिरसे होगा यं वायु महंगो तत्भुवो प्रणादाय इति भूतयं उपरिष्टं यमद्वाय महंगो तत्भुवो प्रणादाय भूतयं उपरिष्टं श्रीयं वायु महंगो everyone wants to perform the arti to come forward. Yam bhari mahango tattvho pranasaya iti bhutayam yam bhari mahango tattvho pranasaya bhutayam uparatistatam shriyam bhari mahango tattvho pranasaya bhutayam उपरिष्टं यमद्वारे महंगोरे तत्स्वरूपनाथाय रूपोयम् उपरिष्टं श्रीयं द्वारे महंगोरे तत्स्वरूपनाथाय श्रीरूपोयम् उपरिष्टं यमद्वारे महंगोरे तत्स्वरूपनाथाय रूपोयम् उपरिष्टं भूमिः नमोस्तुतं यं द्वारे महंगोरे तत्त्वलोकनाथाय भूतयम् उपरिष्टं भूमिदेवानमुस्तुभ्यं यं द्वारे महंगोरि तत्त्वलोकनाथाय भूतयम् भूमिदेवानमुस्तुभ्यं यं द्वारे महंगोरि तत्त्वलोकनाथाय भूतयम् उपरिष्टं यं द्वारे महंगोरि तत्त्वरूपनाथाय भूतयम् उपरिष्टं भूमिदेवा नमोस्तुभ्यं यं द्वारे महंगोरि तत्त्वरूपनाथाय भूतयम् उपरिष्टं
Elaine. And then when you finish, Auntie Gemma, niece is here. Anybody else after?
These greetings is from Sherry. Sherry says, hello, good morning, Sister Ann. I am Joyce McGrath. My mother, who is leaving us today, is leaving me with many memories. Growing up as a child, even if past 7 notes, she would find a way to give me everything. I was the Maharani. I was stubborn, miserable, and I stood up for what I believed. And as a child, and as she said, I would be the one child who would send up to jail. Ma, you are leaving us today, and I am proud to be a child of yours. I'm proud my daughters were able to get to know the woman who raised me to be who I am. I will no longer hear Rajaram Maharani is on the phone. I will miss you. Her granddaughter Rachel. To my grandmother, I always thought that I was your favorite grandchild because when I was younger and you came to visit, you would always read to me a sneaky candy and protect me from it. stubborn and miserable I am. Her other granddaughter, Clarissa. To Ma, I don't have a lot of memories with you, and I will always wish that I got to have more. That summer you visited, I think you got a photo of you every day with a new flower bush in the background, and because of that, I will always think of you whenever I see a flower garden, especially considering how often I had to convince you not to see the flowers. But that summer, I also learned where all of my mom's habits came from. I will miss you, Ma. This is from Sherry and her children. This is from Barbara. I am my mother's firstborn and the eldest of 5 siblings. Growing up, I was known as Fats, Blacks, and Big Beard. I have great and wonderful memories. I remember playing cards all night long with my mom, going to the drive-in movie every Thursday night, and every Sunday at the movie theater. My mom loved flowers and have a variety of plants. She would always steal a variety of plants. She will always steal others' plants, even in Canada and the US. My memories will always live in me. I love you, Mom. I am going to miss you so dearly. Until we meet again, the painful thing is that I can't be here, your eldest child, Barbara. We will always sing Cynthia George Ryan.
Okay, now on to Gemma. Really well. And I think I'll say something. Melissa?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sofari. Reading the text that Auntie Jan sent because she also because of the COVID restrictions, she could not be here. Right? Pa, I am truly sorry for our loss. I will miss Mom dearly. I will miss our daily phone calls at 10 a.m. We used to speak about her great-grandchildren, Isabel and Matthew, and her grandchildren, George and Jennifer. Mom used to talk about the pujas she used to attend with her friends, and the fun they used to have going to the puja and coming back home. Mom would always bring her prasad and sweets to Rudy for her son-in-law to give it to him when he came to Trinidad. If by chance she missed my call, she would probably call back and when she saw my missed call. You will be missed by Pa, Barbara, Sherry, Winston, Kim, and Rudy. I will miss you, Ma. Love, Jeff. I am dedicating the song "So Give Me Actually Faith to Give Me Holy Faith" to my mother. I'm going now to receive the baby song, right? I am going to proceed for what I want to say some words.
John Ruby, I remember waiting that to treat my son very well. And every time he comes to Trinidad, he always asks for Mogo and Rose. And I always give it for him. So, Joyce, God bless you, and you have a good journey.
first time I saw Auntie Joyce was a good few years ago. It was customary for family on this side to meet at the end to stand around the Antonina sister side. What is striking about Auntie Joyce on the first visit, second, maybe third, is a warm embrace of all of us. And that has remained with us for a very long time. And over the years, Auntie Joyce never changed from that. Whenever we met anywhere, it was always a hug and a kiss from us, and made us feel part and welcome in the whole setup of our family. So she has left this relationship with us, that the family was so important that no matter where she is, no matter what she's doing, and she sees you, she will always welcome you in that particular gesture. One of the things that she also did when she came, and this is as a child, observing and getting to know them, because they were strangers to us until we came San Grande on the first or second time, is that she would always walk with snacks. And no matter, today it may sound trivial, but it was a big thing for us as children to get to these elder people and get to know them. And no matter what, as we grow older and she grew older, it was the same gestures. So the point here is that she had this unique way of uniting strange people. Although we were not strangers, we were family. But she had those qualities to unite us. So Auntie Joyce, I know you are part of a well-deserved young, because all 7 of them were like that. And you will join with them and you will continue that journey of togetherness, love and respect. We will miss you. I will miss you. And it's unfortunate, 9 children and my other brothers and sisters may not have that much memory of you, but you did leave a lasting relationship with us of love, unity, and family. Rest in peace, Auntie Joyce, from Brownell family. Thank you.
Jerry?
Well, today everyone seems to be sad, but looking on the other side of things, it should be a joyous day, because as Pandit would surely explain to everyone that it's just a change. The body cannot continue, so she has to take another form. Be that as it may, memories with her and my brother goes very, very deep. It was very, very wonderful to know this lady. She actually nurtured myself and my wife and my children in terms of talking to us, making us happy, being joyful. Anywhere we go, she is such a sport. She would entertain and she would make everyone so entertaining. So I know her children in Canada would be missing this occasion, and all is well. I want to assure them that all is well, that she is in good hands now, and your father will be well taken care of. So with these few words, I want to say goodbye, goodbye, and goodbye.
I would like to say that I consider myself to be a part of this family. I know my father is as well as a girl, suddenly married. When I got married, he didn't understand told my husband, you did not bring about no stranger here. And I've always been a part of this family ever since. I want to say that she was a woman she was hardworking, she was a joyful woman, she knew how to make you laugh. Anywhere you go, she knew how to make you laugh. She was loving anywhere she went, she would find a joke. She loved her flowers. Most of all, she loved her passion was flowers. And I'm glad to see her so adorned this morning. You know, and we will miss her. We will miss her mouth, her spiciness. We will really miss her. You know, she will always be there to make peace in her family as well. She will give you right when it is right, and she will tell you when it is wrong. She was a matter-of-fact woman. And I want to say that all of us will truly miss her. This house will not be the same anymore. And we want to say goodbye until we meet again. Rest in peace.
Would anyone else like to speak? Honey Baudry says she can't.
Children, we all have gathered here this morning to pay our last respect to the departed soul and to give the family the strength that they need to support. Firstly, I have to convey my deepest condolences to the bereaved family, especially of Rajaram and the children who cannot be given us a different pain. I send my regards to you all also. Death leaves heartaches to no one to heal, but shows up memories of no one to steal, my dear friends. What is lying here is called a panch tattva, which is the 5 elements remaining after death. It is called the body. It must be disposed at some point in time. It cannot last forever. So too in Bhagavad Gita chapter 2, where Bhagavan Krishna reiterates to Arjuna that the wise man, the learned man is the wise man. The learned man is one who wise, one who knows from the minute I take birth, I have to die. So he says that the wise man did not grieve for the dead, nor the living. Henceforth, there was never a time when I was not, or you were not here, or will not cease to be here. You will come back again. Bhagavad Gita chapter 2 reminds us of such. And Joyce was here before. She secured a good body now, and by her karmic action, she will move back again, my dear friends. It is a journey of life. One there's birth, there's death. The body cannot last forever. At some point in time, whether being 83 or 100 years, my dear friends, the body starts to deteriorate, my dear friends. The body goes down older and older, my dear friends. The vehicle can no longer carry on, my dear friends. So the soul cannot go on with this vehicle. It needs another vehicle to continue the journey. So the soul here have changed one body to enter into another form, my dear friends, another body. And that is all, my dear friends, by what we call the right of the soul. To exit one body and take another form, my dear friends. Memories of Auntie Joyce would live on, following Auntie Joyce and Uncle Rajaram, where the son have departed, how many years ago? 16 years ago. That's when I knew that. 16 years ago, when the son departed. She came 17 years ago. And instead of husband. How long have I married? 16 years ago. So 16 years ago when I knew these two individuals. The eulogy of what Rama has said a lot. They will follow me from yajna to yajna, puja to puja. That is what they enjoy. And the Joyce mouth had no cover. We all know that. Her mouth had no cover. She was always a vibrant, jolly individual. What people should keep company of? People who are vibrant and jolly and people who make you laugh, or people who make you depressed. But her life was filled with a lot of joys. Being married for 64 years, am I correct? 64 years. Give them a lusty round of applause. Come on, you can do it. Being married for 64 years, you should hold on 1 year to get a pension from marriage too. Understand? 64 years is a lot of years enough. And I really don't know how she's still with this man. Understand? Because two of them will argue, no. I remember the last puja we were doing inside, they argued mouth to mouth during the puja. And that was the joy. That was the love. Understand? The pain he will go through, nobody will feel that. Understand? You see, to live with someone for 64 long years, if you live with somebody 10 years, it will be a new era. But the longer you live with an individual, is the longer that love grows, the stronger the love gets. 64 years, uncle, I can't tell you what to do. Honestly. And both of them are in the same boat. No water better than not. Eat more hot, sleep more hot. So I know how it is to rally. But they held on for 64 years. Give women the next round of applause. Come on. 64 years, both of them still one good. Now in today's world, the cake does last longer than marriage. In today's world, when a cake does last longer than a marriage in today's world. But I don't know what secret they had. But she did good. She did good to keep for 64 long years. As I said before, the love between a husband and wife, no child